So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to scroll down and expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows NT. And now we're going to expand current version. And now you're going to expand passwordless. We're going to scroll down and expand passwordless. And now we're going to click on the device folder. And now this will appear on the right side. So now we're going to be having DevicePasswordLessBuildVersion. And if you do not have this, then you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on DWORD Value. You're going to type in DevicePasswordLessBuildVersion. Click on enter. I already have it, so that's why it says this. But yeah, you just want to find DevicePasswordLessBuildVersion. If you don't have it, then just create it. Now once you have this, you're going to double click on it. Make the value data 0. So in this box right here, if it says like any number, just delete it and then type in the number 0 and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.